Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore a very useful feature in Brave Nightly Browser on mobile that can help you manage your tabs more efficiently. If you often have multiple tabs open and want to save memory and reduce clutter, first, open the Brave Nightly Browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. After that, scroll down until you find the Tabs and Tab Groups section and tap on it. Next, find the More option and tap on Inactive Tabs. Then, locate the Automatically Close Inactive Items option. Turn it on by tapping the toggle switch next to it. This setting will now automatically close tabs that have been inactive for a certain period, which helps improve performance and keeps your browser organized. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.